So you want to start manifesting in 2025. Well, in 2025, you got to manifest differently than you did in 2024. Reason why, it's the year of the snake. So you got to manifest like a snake if you want your manifestations to come true. So what I'm going to do is give you 4 things you need to know when manifesting in 2025. Let's get into it. Grand Rising Manifestors. So this year, 2025, you got to manifest differently. Don't manifest like you did in 2024. So these 4 things I'm going to tell you is going to help you manifest faster and even better than you did before. So let's get into it. Number 1, you need to hurry, but do it slowly. Let me explain. Just like a snake attacks in a hurry, but they do it slowly. So what you're going to do, whatever you want to manifest, you're going to jump right into it. Don't hesitate. Don't think about it. You're going to jump right into it. Then once you jump into it, then you're going to take your time and do it slowly. Do your affirmations, but you're going to do it slowly. Don't just rush through it. Number 2, now when you're manifesting, it's going to be some unexpected changes happen this year. So when those unexpected changes happen, don't get discouraged. Keep doing your meditations. Keep saying your affirmations. If you're journaling, keep journaling. Don't let these unexpected changes knock you off course of what you're trying to manifest. Number 3, in numerology, 2025 is the year of the 9. Now, what number 9 represents is getting rid of the old and bringing in something new. So it represents the new beginnings. So just like a snake, it sheds its skin and becomes new. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to get rid of the old you and bring in the new you so you can manifest differently in 2025. So get rid of the old you, bring in the new you. And number 4, you're just going to wait. But you're going to still stay active. Once you start doing the techniques to manifest what you want, you're going to just wait. But you're not going to stop doing everything you need to do. You're not going to stop meditating. You're not going to stop doing all the things that you need to do. You're just going to do what you need to do, and you're going to wait. And before you know it, your manifestation is just going to pop up unexpectedly because you was patient and you waited. And that's what the universe likes. If you wait and be patient, then the universe knows that you trust the process, that you trust that the universe is going to deliver your manifestation just in time. So guys, if this video brought you some value, you know what I need you to do. Hit that subscribe button, give me a like, drop a comment down below. We on our way, guys. We're going to manifest fast and better this year. So please share this video everywhere. We want everybody to manifest, because the more people that get together and manifest, that means everybody is going to benefit this year in 2025. Let's go. Let's get it. Peace, create, and manifest.